Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to change font color and also background color of a text or maybe another element. Now I'm going to say text element. This text will contain some text, let's say hello world, and secondly we have to say dot foreground color to change the font color, and make sure it is added after the parentheses. Inside this we can say the color like dot gray, dot black. Here you can see there are many options. Now also if I say dot gray, we can see the changes here. You can see it is changed. And now how we can change the background of this view. Now for that, let me go ahead and show you the frame of this text. You can say this is the frame. I will say dot background inside parentheses. To change the color we can say color dot, then we can select some color. I will select black. Now we should see the changes. You can see it is visible. Okay, now that's how to change the font color and the background color of a element. Okay, that is it for this video. If this video helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.